welcome back to another Makeup Artist Monday. It's artistry like bam. Alright guys, thanks so much for tuning back in this week. If you're new here, my name is Brandon and I'm a professional makeup artist in Chicago, and I'm here to teach you some fun things about makeup on the internet. So this week's video, we're going to be talking all about the Armani eye tints. I was gifted one of these in the color 56 Mahogany, and I just absolutely fell in love. I could not wait to get my hands on this and play with it for you guys. So you guys saw me do a video with this eye tint a couple weeks ago in the color rose gold, and this one is in the color mahogany. So it's this really beautiful, like, vibrant burgundy color. I absolutely love it, and there's so many different ways to wear this eyeshadow. So these are like a liquid creamy eyeshadow. If you're not familiar, it looks just like this. Really beautiful, and the applicator looks like this. So it is a angled doe foot, so you can see just like that, and then you have a one swipe coverage, which is really nice. These are a 16-hour wear, smudge proof, waterproof. Once they're dry, they're on, and they're good to go. So there's so many different ways to wear colors like this and pigments like this. So I wanted to show you guys today 2 different ways on how to wear the Armani eyeshadow. So let's hop right in. So the Armani eye tints, as you can see, it's super beautiful, really high pigment right here, and it blends out really nicely. So 2 things you can do with this eyeshadow. You can wear it all over the eye, just like your traditional eyeshadow at home, or if you're a little bit afraid of color and you want a softer look or a little bit more of a traditional look, you can do something a little bit different. So we're gonna do 2 different looks so you guys can see how to wear this eyeshadow 2 different ways. So the first way that we're gonna do is we're gonna actually go in with an angled brush. So this is an angled brush from Sergio Luis Alvarez. This one is an old one from my kit. It's super good. It's synthetic, which is nice for this type of product. I'm actually going to take a little bit of this product on the doe foot, and I'm going to use my angle brush and just actually swipe it right on the brush, so that way I'm picking up just a tiny bit of that pigment right there, so you guys can see. So if you're afraid of color, or you have a lot of eyeshadows that you want to wear, but you're like, wow, that color is too intense for me, or I would never wear that all over my eye because maybe that's just too dramatic for you, this is a really great way for you to take something really dramatic or really intense and wear it softly. So use it on an angle brush, and we're actually going to press this into the lash line just like an eyeliner. So I love this color because on brown eyes, this really rich mahogany, vibrant eggplant color looks so beautiful on brown eyes. So you guys can see how that just really enhanced my eye just really softly. It still gives me that intensity in that lash line, but you can see that color is there. I'm going to go in and continue the color in just a little bit right on the corner. Just like that, so you guys can see that I went ahead and had a little bit of the continuation inside. And then you can see that it is one and done. Really easy to use on that angled brush. I didn't go in and pick up more product. What was on the brush is all I used. Really beautiful, smudge resistant, and now I have a really beautiful eyeliner. So if you want to go in and angle this out, you can definitely angle this out, be a wing liner kind of girl, but this is just all I'm going to do for today. And then we're going to move on to the other eye so I can show you how to use this eyeshadow in the more traditional, fluffy, smoky eyeshadow way. So let's do it. Alright guys, so dipping this eyeshadow back right into the applicator, I'm actually going to use the fluffy brush and use a little bit on the back of my hand. So you'll notice that I'm just going to take a little bit of that product, work it on the back of my hand, really kind of squeeze that pigment on the back of my hand so I can get a little bit more product, just like that. So pop this back in there so it doesn't dry out. We want to make sure that our products last a long time. I'm going to take what's on the back of my hand on a fluffy eyeshadow brush. This is a really beautiful blending brush from Urban Decay Cosmetics. I'm going to go in with just a very soft amount of this on the tips of the brush, and then we're going to work this on the eye. So I'm going to start in the center of the eye and then start to lightly pack it and then blend. So this is a softer eyeshadow brush, which is nice because it'll really help me to diffuse this product and not make it super soft, or not make it super dramatic and really heavy right from the get-go. It'll allow me to build up that coverage and work with that color. So as you can see, I just put a tiny bit on the brush and really worked that into the eye. So if you're a no makeup kind of girl, or you like something really soft and easy, this is really beautiful way to get a soft wash of color with a blending brush. So you'll notice that there's no product back on the brush. Everything that I put on the lid is really soft and really beautiful. So it's not too different than my natural lid. It just gives me that really faint haloed effect, which I really love. So I'm actually gonna beef this up a little bit and take it a little bit more dramatic so you guys can see. What I'm gonna do now is take from the brush and really just kind of lightly pack the brush into the applicator. So you'll notice that there's a lot more pigment on the actual brush. And what we're gonna do is the same thing, start in the center of the eye. So you'll notice that that is a lot more color this time. Packing, packing, packing. Just like that, so you can see how it doesn't have to be perfect. We're literally gonna go ahead and blend all of this out. So starting at the lid, working my way on the lid, really spreading that color around first, and now I'm gonna work up into the crease and really diffuse and blend what's on the brush. These are so easy to use, really versatile. They have a ton of colors, which is really nice. I love stuff like this in my kit because a lot of the times when we're on set or we're doing makeup, we need to do something really quick and really fast. This gives me that instant perfect smoky eye, really easy, and it deposits a lot of that color, and it's gonna wear a really long time. So I'm actually gonna take a little bit off on the brush. You'll notice I'm just gonna take a little bit on my hand and just kind of work it into the brush. So that way I don't have a ton of color. And I'm gonna take what's left on my eye and really just kind of diffuse and soften that edge. You can even do this with your finger, which is nice. So I'm gonna take a little bit of my finger and just lightly blend out that edge. I don't have another clean blending brush in the studio with me right now, but I am slowly unpacking to get everything together. So you guys notice that I'm in a different area. I'm so happy and so excited to have a little bit of makeup in a candle studio so I can film and do all the content for you guys. So this is gonna be really exciting, so keep an eye on more content. So I'm gonna take a little bit more of that blending brush and just kind of softly diffuse the crease. We're not applying more product, we're literally just blending everything out and softly diffusing it. Next, I'm gonna take that angled brush that we used earlier on the other side. I'm just gonna take a very small amount and do it right underneath my eye. Just to marry this look together, so that way you have a top and bottom liner. And I got that color on just like that. And all I'm gonna do is actually take my finger and literally smudge it out. So these are really versatile, super easy to use. You don't need brushes. If you don't have a lot of talent with eyeshadow, these are nice because it doesn't take a lot of skill. You can literally pop it on, blend it with your finger, and create a really soft, beautiful smoky eye. So you guys can see that looks so glamorous, really easy. You can add some shimmer to it. You can add more pigment, make it darker, more dramatic if you want. But I think this is really beautiful. And I'm gonna do the other side, and I'll be right back. All right, so I went ahead and did the other side. What do you guys think? Super beautiful. This color Mahogany is like a really deep burgundy eggplant color. I absolutely love this color. I went ahead, like I said, and did the top and a little bit on the bottom. You can do this as a liner if you're afraid of this much color, but this is really beautiful. I'm actually gonna add a little bit of shimmer and some mascara for my lookout tonight. So this is the July 4th look. We're going to go see some fireworks at the beach tonight. So I wanted to just do my eyes and quickly get this look up for you guys. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you love this video. This is just a really quick, easy way to wear these really beautiful liquid eyeshadows from Armani. I absolutely love this color. I think it's so beautiful. I have it in the other color, rose gold too, which I just wore on the inner corner of my eyes. Really versatile, super beautiful. I think you guys would like them. They're very wearable, really easy to use, and I think that you can wear them in so many different ways. So thank you guys for watching this Makeup Artist Monday. I hope that you guys love the new setup. Please tell me what you think in the comments down below. If you love this makeup video, please leave a like and subscribe for new weekly makeup videos every single Monday. And I can't wait to see you guys next Makeup Artist Monday. So have a great week, everyone. Stay safe, and I'll talk to you soon. All right, bye.